What's up, business buddies? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna explain another sequence when creating your new campaign, which is email LinkedIn one follow-up, meaning that you will engage first on email. If they haven't replied, you will fall back using LinkedIn. This sequence is perfect if your audience is quite active on email. And these are the actions that will be applied. You can choose the name of your campaign if you want, it's optional. And this is the plan that you will follow. We made it easier for you to understand more this template. So the next step is you're gonna choose the list of your prospects of your choice. You can either add all the prospects or select one of them from the list. Next thing is the email finder. Of course, if you want to contact your prospects via email, you always need to choose their professional email. So to understand more these conditional statements, if yes, if no. So here you will need to specify the delay for this action to move to the next branch. We're gonna leave it in 5 days. So if email found within 5 days, the next step will be sending your email. You're gonna choose the email account, type your email subject, email body, and your invitation then will be sent. And then you're gonna choose the delay you want between the moment your prospects accept the invitation and your first message that will be sent. Here you're gonna type your message body. Next, we're gonna move to the condition. If the email wasn't found within 5 days, then the step will be sending an invitation. Then you're gonna select the delay between the moment your prospects accept the invitation and your first message. Type your message, click on next, and here you go. Your campaign is created.